Welcome to Renova's new website. Today, we will quickly go through the new features. Let's start from the menu, when you can explore all the sections you need, from our company history to the contacts. You can find useful information by visiting our industry section, with all the products related to them. While in the products section, you can easily select the specific product within 4 main categories, from brakes and clutches to material handling. Choose your required solution and discover all the information you need. Data sheets with technical data and videos, and even some suggest products you might also be interested in. Once you have found what you were looking for, you can fill out the contact form to ask us more detailed information. If you're not sure which product is the best for your industry, you can use the product finder. Just a few clicks between you and your goal. Select the industry, the product category or both, and you will be matched with a product that will help you enhance your planned processes. What's more, in the news and videos section, you can see all the events, articles, case studies and videos to always keep update on the latest news. If you need some more information, you can chat with us. Complete the form with your name, company name and email address, and we will answer you in a blink of an eye. Thank you for watching, and see you at renova-s.r.l.com.